Stay united, exploring the essence of unity in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, stay united. This phrase is not just a combination of words. It's a powerful expression with deep meaning and significant cultural implications. We'll explore its definition, usage, and the context in which it's often used. Let's get started. Stay united is a phrase that calls for unity and solidarity among a group of people. It emphasizes the importance of working together and supporting each other, especially in challenging times. This phrase is often used in various contexts, from social movements to sports teams, encouraging individuals to maintain a sense of togetherness and cooperation. In this section, we'll look at different scenarios where stay united is commonly used. From political speeches to community events, this phrase has the power to inspire and motivate. We will also explore variations of this phrase, like stand together or remain united, and how they subtly differ in tone and context. Stay united holds significant cultural value. It's a rallying cry during times of adversity and a reminder of the strength found in unity. We'll delve into historical instances where this phrase played a pivotal role and how it continues to resonate in today's world. How can you use stay united in your daily conversations? This section offers practical tips and examples to seamlessly incorporate this phrase into your English communication, enhancing both your speaking and writing skills. I hope this video has shed light on the profound meaning and usage of stay united. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and emotions they convey. Stay united in your journey of English learning, and see you in the next video.